fucking Bobby, man. Cash Money CEO, man. Nothing changed. Cash Money still got that money, man. Fuck with the Bob, man. Bounce Scully game. Free the block, man. War boys, nigga.
In the slump, free zone, you already know the shit. Free
game. Free the fucking game, man.
We win it, we can't split the difference. We win it, that's the difference. We win it, that's the difference. We win it, that's the difference. We win it, we can't split the difference.
How do you get in people?
Four linemen, there were supposed to be at least. I see two with their hands down. As they fake it up the middle, and there's Matthews, the quarterback we talked about earlier. Eddie, no, it, yeah.
Pressure!
Got it! Touchdown Rams! Snap. Snap. Fires it. Hit as he throws. Complete! Big number 2 makes up with the penalty with a big first down conversion. Snap from the gun. Rush coming again. Gets it off the last second. Interception! Michael Beachley on the pick. And Mike Beachley gets it out to the 40. Trying to get the offense going again. Hand off Seth Wagner on the left side. Seth Wagner cutting up the field. Seth Wagner is still going. Seth Wagner has a first down. Snap, Ian Fisher, handoff. No way, he fakes it. Coming right towards us. Ian Fisher, up the middle. For another big gain. Snap. Going to fake it again. They can't stop that read. Big Ian Fisher will get out of bounds. Handoff to Wagner, up the middle. Or no, Fisher still had it. He even faked me out. Touchdown, Ian Fisher. Wagner up the middle. Got it. 2-point conversion is good. And Brunswick has taken a 14-6 lead. Power up. I'm not sure that guard was set either. Hand off to the right side, the gain of 1. Out of the eye. Toss to the left side, rather. Coming towards us. The Rams, he might get something out of bounds. He goes again. It's been deadly so far. Fisher hands it off again, middle. Still going. Wagner's going to still go down to the 8. Here to go again. Middle. Wagner is just gashing him. Wagner, is he in? Touchdown, yes! Touchdown, Railroaders! Here we go. Fisher again, up the middle. Still going. And there he goes. He just bodied his way through for 2. And the score is now 22-6 Railroaders.
This is your running back.
And throws it complete as he stumbles down. Rams been tripping all game and not in the right way. As the celebration begins, the Brunswick faithful, they made the trip down and they saw a victory today. As we'll show the handshake, Brunswick victorious 22-6 over the Moco Rams. 2-0 now is Brunswick in these kind of tackle games. I'm not sure who can beat them right now in this area. They might be the best tackle team. Who knows? They've looked pretty good so far.
I was laughing so hard running at that fucking guy, that quarterback. Were you? I was laughing as soon as he got the ball.
As the handshakes, the sportsmanship. between the Railroaders and the Rams. A hard-fought game by both sides. And at the end of the day, it was the Railroaders running a steam train all over that Rams defense. Brunswick victorious, 22-6. So you see the players walking over, shaking hands. The Railroaders, behind a dominant rushing attack, took this game over in the second half. And in spite of the efforts by the Rams, it was all Brunswick today. As we watch the faithful walk over to the sideline.
Woo! What I'm talking about, baby!
Guys, over here!
And everyone's going to go to the middle. That includes us, and we're going to listen in and see what they have to say as we wrap up this matchup.
Hey, everybody, come on, we're getting together.
As the players get down for a prayer session.
Hey!
I want to say, hey, welcome to the league, Railroad, and exhibition out there. Be out a little bit, but be more intense during the summertime. Yeah. We hope y'all stay. We hope y'all say that we help y'all on out. I ain't put them past in 10 years. It's a long game. It's about fellowship and good hard football.
Joey Blaze, Facebook.
At the end of the game.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get my phone.
I want to say a prayer right now.
BLAZ.
Yeah, you gotta wake up. I didn't get shit today. 5 yard out, I got a little smack and then.
And walk it down on the knee.
Legs off. What's that noise? Helmets off. Who's off?
And a great display of sportsmanship by both sides. Giving thanks to the man above for making this game happen. And we'll try to reach some of the Brunswick players for a post-game interview. In particular, the ones who are key in this performance today. Let's start it off with the man, Ian Fisher. Back-to-back great performances.
Oh yeah.
I'll tell you.
It's a good time, man. We're just out here having some fun, throwing the pads on. It's a nice day, so couldn't think of a better way to spend
MVP!
MVP?
Oh, yeah.
I don't, it's close. It's a close call between you and Wagner. You guys just tore it up in that second half.
Man, they can't stop both of us, so
Exactly.
it works out.
And it was a great performance all around. Fisher, congratulations on another victory, sir. Hope to see you again soon. Brian Swagger.
I like seeing you after these games, Joey.
I like seeing you too. Another trophy, sir?
Another trophy.
You bringing it up to county to show off to the boys?
Of course.
Always,
Hey,
man.
the boys were here with us today. We appreciate everybody that supported us. I know they were keeping tabs on us, and we represented Frederick County, we represented Brunswick, and we represented Washington County Flag Football League. So we did it. Winners.
And a Gatorade victory bath for Brian Swagger and I.
Oh, man, my bucket list is complete. Oh, I wish it was beer, though, man. We got to get some beers.
We need beer.
We need beer. Joey, thank you. Thank you for driving down here. We appreciate it, man.
Anytime, Brian. I'm glad to be here. Congratulations once again, sir. 2-0. Who's next, though, for Brunswick? What's next?
I think Dustin's on the clock.
Dustin's on Smithsburg?
Smithsburg, you better start practicing. We're ready.
All right. Brian Swagger with a shout out. Michael Beachley, your interception was the turning point of the game. The Rams were driving. They got to your end of the end zone, and you picked it off. Please, we go through the play. What happened there? You were able to get yours up in position to get the ball.
Well, we beat him up front just about all day long. We beat him up front. He had no time to throw. He had guys draped on him. And I saw an open guy, and he just tried to let it go with a guy hanging on his legs. And I ran right and he took it upfield. It's just, I mean, it goes to the D-line. They beat him up all day. They had no
pressure,
time to throw.
yes.
You know, when you saw that they had time to throw, they completed passes. They had good receivers and good quarterbacks. So we beat them most of the time up front. We win every game up front. We got big men that are big men.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what we need.
Oh my God, yeah. This team is just impressive. Absolutely impressive.
Absolutely.
I'm proud of you guys. Congratulations again. Another phenomenal defensive performance.
Absolutely.
Hey, Sean Mote said you guys only allow 6 points. Look what happened.
Yeah, we sure did. Appreciate it.
No problem, Beachley. Glad to see you again. Some of the Rams players want to give me a heads up real quick. Yeah, Joey Blaze, B-L-A-Z-E.
This one.
That's me.
Is it going to be up here later?
It should be on publicly right now after I finish sharing. You should watch it right now, actually.
I got to download the app.
Yeah.
All right, is that on Facebook?
Yep, Facebook Live. Both halves. First half, second half, separate videos.
Yeah. Oh, okay. That's not today.
Yeah.
Hey, that's the dude that you just interviewed. What you told me? I was live. Hey, shit.
Yeah, the live actually is up 10 to 15 seconds off from what it really is. Yeah. I learned that too. You're welcome, sirs. Glad to have you today. As we walk around the sidelines. An absolutely fantastic performance today by this Railroader squad. The trenches, they just dominated. At first. And Kenny Diener, congratulations on the win, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
How's it feel? 2-0 in tackle football.
Feels good.
Yeah.
Waiting for the next one.
I am too. It needs to happen soon.
Like I play till I'm 60.
So playing until you're 60 now?
I'm playing.
All right. Hell yeah, Diener. Look forward to seeing you for many years to come, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Stay healthy. Yes, sir.
Thanks, man.
Kenny Diener.
Yeah, absolutely.
As these final moments wrap up, we're going to go look at the trophy that Brunswick received. We'll see what the next time we see the Railroaders are. But right now, 2-0. Smithsburg is what they said, but that's what I've been hearing. I'm not so sure the Leopards are ready for this kind of a rushing attack.
They weren't ready in high school.
Big facts. As we take a look at the trophy won by the Railroaders. Congratulations, Brunswick.
So is there an after party after the dirt race? Yeah, at the dirt race.
Brookside.
Oh, Brookside? Brookside?
Man, what the hell?
Swagerson's going to Brookside.
You taking showers first, or are you going to go there all stinky?
I'm taking a photo shower.
As we get ready to wrap this one up. Brunswick victorious once again, 22-6.